Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel. It's Thursday, and you know it. We starting out again this week. Man, I don't know what it is about this week in call-ins, man, across the board. But, you know, is what it is. It's that time of year when there's back-to-back type of situations that are going on. However, we will rise. Now, all in all, it's going to be a good day today. We're going to go out on the call, ice maker installation. So this is a rare one. I wanted to go out on this one. It's a customer that we're doing an ice maker installation, and then also too, she's got a warming drawer. So we're going to work on that too. Hopefully we won't be there too long because I got stuff to do. But I also want to get some good video footage for both this blog and for our company's website, Google business listing, and all of that. So we're gonna get over there. I'm gonna take a short minute clip. We're gonna upload right into the Google profile, right from my phone, right in the area, right? Big hack. We're gonna be in a country club area, so it's where we want to be. And you know, we've worked over there quite a bit, but we want to solidify the area. But outside of that, we have a new business manager coming on. Who's going to help drive and grow our appliance and plumbing business. So I'm very excited about that. More to come. She starts in a couple of weeks. And man, it's just so much. Things are rolling. But this morning, first, we're going to have our Modesto operations meeting, check where we are. Hopefully we have an office ready to go. We're going to be buying some vehicles. Probably not today, but more than likely tomorrow. Definitely Monday, Tuesday. We got to get those designed. So I got to really stay on my marketing coordinator because we got to get back on track. Because I really want the new stuff on the vehicles, not the old stuff. But you know how it goes. You do what you can. You do what you have in front of you, and you don't worry. But hey, hope y'all having a great day. Let's take it on over to the meeting. Y'all can see some highlights before. So just quick update. I know we did the all dolly, not the all dolly. We didn't get the all dolly. We got the what the heck? The air sled. So we got the air sled last week, and we were going through everything, and the spacer kit didn't come with it. So I did reply back to them, and it was like instant. As soon as I replied, the box showed up like 5 minutes later. So, well, I guess they had the tracking off a little bit, but whatever. I sent them another email, told them we got it. But now, you know, because of the expansion, we have on the list to purchase a couple of things. So I'm trying to see if we can get a bunch of stuff. And then if we get it in bulk, can we get a little bit of break? So there's some opportunities there. Because I am happy with the quality of the one we got now. Hopefully we get to use it. So, you know, the vendor still hasn't committed yet, which sucks. But as soon as we get that commitment, basically the call that we have is going to pay for itself, like literally pay for itself. And then what was I going to say? Oh, buying in bulk, so we can get the break on that. We'll buy a couple, we'll buy 2, maybe even up to 4. So it just depends how much can I get. So we're gonna get we're gonna get the air sleds, but we'll get their version of the dolly, the appliance dolly. So we'll get at least 3 of those, maybe 5. So we'll see how it goes. About to drop some duckies
on your truck.
Hozozaki, Manitowoc. Yeah, we gotta get like one of the vendors or something to sponsor the wraps on the vans, man.
Oh yeah.
Why don't they do that? What we're doing today, Eric?
We're changing an ice maker out. So a customer ordered herself a new ice maker, and the ice maker that she has is no longer working. So we're gonna pull the old one out and we're gonna put in the new one. And it's exact same model and serial or a model number. So it should just be an easy slide in, slide out scenario. Right. Famous last words.
I know. All right, that's the hose, shut off valves, water, and this is Scotsman. All right. This one off right here. What was originally wrong with this one? Bad condenser?
No, it was a drain.
Do it in reverse.
Kinda. So this one has a little bit different way to get a hold of things. Okay, so the water line went a different direction. We're gonna have to pull it out.
And if you don't get nicked, you're not doing it right.
Yeah.
All right, and we just missed the air bubbles. Air bubbles went through, and there it is. See a air bubble.
Let's take this one off.
One more leak.
And scene.
So about an hour and a half.
Yeah, about an hour and a half. But we also looked at a plumbing issue for the overhead shower for the customer. It was leaking, just needed to be tightened up. Actually the removal of the old one was more difficult than installing the new one. If we had, a new water line, it would have went 15 minutes quicker. But and two, we were in a higher dollar home house, so taking that little extra bit of time to make sure that there's no water left on the floor, to make sure that everything gets put back under the sink, those types of things. Double, triple checking for leaks. You can never be too sure with anything that deals with water draining or water flowing in. But we're pretty heated, so
Bakersfield heat?
Bakersfield heat. It's already 75 degrees outside, and it's only going to get hotter.
I think I met my service call quota for the month.
Yep. Mark's going to go back to his managerial standpoint. Yep. But thank you, Marcus, for all your help.
To another long day. So the big question is, did we get the office in Modesto or not? I literally don't know yet. So we'll see tomorrow. Put in a couple offers. We'll see who comes in. A couple good prime locations as well. So we're gonna be ready to go regardless. So as soon as we get the thumbs up, the address, we'll file the paperwork, and we'll be off to the races. Now, next order business, because I tell you, it's Thursday and we got a lot of loose ends to be tied up going into the weekend. So that's one thing. If we can get that off the plate, get the paper submitted, we'll be good to go. We got sales meeting in the morning, so we're in first week of the month, first full week of the month. So a couple days in, 9 days or whatever it is. Now the main thing is, are we on pace or not? So we're going to find that out. I don't know. We had a couple of big tickets hit yesterday. Did we seal it? Yesterday. Today, did we seal them? Tomorrow we got a couple more. Like I said, we got off to a really good start this month in plumbing compared to the last 2 weeks. It was, 2 weeks, 2 months. It was very slow. But the summertime is promising. Ice makers, can't say enough about that. It's on the radar. got an opportunity. So we're gonna get out there, put our bid in, see if we can get some cleanings, some maintenance, and basically secure a nice additional commercial spot. So ideal goal is to get 20 new vendors to pay us big bucks this year. So we're well off on that way. I know the year's going by fairly quickly. We're already in May, so almost halfway through the year. We need that count. Are we halfway to 20, or are we at 4? So we're gonna make that determination on how to crank that up, move as quickly as possible. But more importantly, you gotta rest. And I'm about to go to sleep. So peace.